What's happening, man? This is Horny Mike from Kustoms. I got the guys here from Apex. Every once in a while, you gotta call in the real guys that can come adjust things and tune it up the way it should be, because I like to tune it the way I think it should be. And I got the pros in here.
Yeah. I'm John with Apex and Easy Sander. We wanted to make sure we brought in the professionals here, Alex and Joe, who did a fantastic job of tuning up the machine, getting it running like it's brand new again. You guys have had the machine for 2, 3, 4 years.
I think 3, 4 years almost now.
Use it quite a bit. We wanted to make sure we came out here and gave the machine a nice tune-up so you guys can use it to its fullest ability. And I'm
so
just
that it's easier for me.
Yeah. I mean
that's
what it comes down to.
It really is called the Easy Sander for a reason.
Yep.
So that it's easier for me. Listen, I'm flat out lazy.
Yep.
I want this to be the easiest process that I can possibly get.
There's the hard way, and then there's the mighty.
Yes, I love being on the fast cut. I just stand there and look at it all day, and it cuts stuff. And then I come over here and I grab one of these bad boys and I go like this. And then I run them through. And I ain't gonna lie, it's a good easy day for me. Straight out of the plasma cutter, out of our fast cut, ran through, I think, twice on the top, through the Easy Sander, bam, clean it, run it in the paint it, you're done. It'll be in the gift shop near you. Actually, just here. So, you gotta come here to get it. How many belts you bring?
I brought a bunch.
I'm gonna be busy, I'm gonna be busy.
Sorry about that.
But you know what the nice part is I'm just gonna be standing here going,
better than angle grinding, isn't it?
I basically just pick them up, put them over here, put them over here. It's a little dance I do. I want to show you something, actually. This right here used to take, I don't know, we'd have to grind them all by hand. So this used to take all day. Now I would say, it goes into this, you bend it like that, and the next thing you know, I can probably do all of these in about, 30 minutes. And this used to take, this was a day of one guy just grinding all stinking day. That has been cut down to a half hour. That's just, yeah, that's the way I like it. Easy.
Hard work made easy, there you go. Apex Machine Group is a company, and this is one of our machines, the Easy Sander. It does make hard work easy. So call us, look us up online.
That's it, it's easy. Now, get out of here, because I gotta get back to work. Hopefully the easy part.